Seda Ayala Center Cebu illuminated the holiday season with its annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony on Thursday, November 15, 2024. This year's theme, Sinag ng Pasko, shines a light on the true essence of the Filipino Christmas spirit that shares the message of hope, kindness, solidarity, love, and peace.
Merry Christmas from Seda Ayala Center Cebu. This year, all Seda hotels, including Seda Ayala Center Cebu, we want to really show the traditional Christmas. And for Filipinos, traditional Christmas is really all about the parol. Because the parol, in every household, there's a parol. And if you talk about parol, it signifies peace, it signifies also luck, and at the same time, it signifies having more blessings. And the lighting, it really signifies that we always have a ray of hope in our life.
The hotel's festive centerpiece, a magnificent Christmas tree adorned with Capiz parols, wooden ornaments, and hand-woven decorations, was meticulously crafted by Seda Ayala Center Cebu's dedicated housekeeping team. More than just a symbol of the season, Seda Ayala Center Cebu's Christmas tree lighting reflects the true Filipino essence of giving as the hotel continues its tradition of spreading joy by partnering with Smile Train, a cleft-focused organization that brings smiles to children with cleft issues, transforming lives one smile at a time.
Smile Train is very special to us because we've had this partnership, Seda Hotel, since 2011. But Seda Ayala Center Cebu, we started in 2018 when we opened. Smile Train is really for about children who have problems with their cleft palate. And we want to help them. So we've sponsored a lot of kids and really has brought a smile in their faces and also a smile in their parents' faces.
The hotel also promises to create a holiday to remember, delighting their beloved guests with heartfelt offerings and festive experiences.
I am thrilled to share with you all our offerings for this holiday season 2024. We start off with our dinner, Christmas dinner and New Year's Eve dinner, together with our sweet treats, ladies and gentlemen, as we also, share this treats and this merrymaking with the food and with our families in this holiday season. We are very proud to showcase the works of our F&B kitchen and F&B service.
The evening was filled with heartwarming entertainment, including a festive violin performance by 𝗫𝗏𝗏𝗃 and a soulful rendition of holiday classics by the Celestial Voices Choir, while guests enjoyed a bountiful dinner filled with festive food and drinks that enhanced the spirit of the occasion. With this memorable celebration, Seda Ayala Center Cebu once again captured the hearts of its guests, promising a holiday season filled with meaning, connection, and Filipino festive cheer. This has been 𝗤𝗏𝗏𝗃 Espinosa for 𝗦𝗶𝘃 Cebu.